What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to set up your Temu account. So currently we're in temu.com and here in the homepage, we have lots of stuff to look at, but at the top right area, you have the orders and account. So we're going to tap on orders and account. And here you have the option to sign in or register. You could go ahead with your email or phone number, but to make things easy, you could go ahead with your Google account, your Facebook, or your Apple Pay. So we're going to go ahead with Google and we're going to select an account. We're going to click on continue. And as you can see right here, we have our profile picture, which is connected to our Google account. That makes things a lot easier for us and saves a lot of time. So if you go over and hover over it, you're going to have some options here, such as your reviews, your profiles, and other things that you'd like to do. You also have some advertisements here inspired by recent views, which of course you can engage in feeding your eyes. Of course, because this is a new account, we want to go to our profile. So we're going to click on your profile. And then if you want to buy, of course, you need to have a payment method. So over here, you're going to have your payment methods. So you're going to click on it. And then you get the option to add a credit or debit card. You can see all the cards that they accept, and you can go ahead and add a credit or debit card. After that's added, you can go ahead and make purchases here on Temu. So this is what you need to do in order to set up your Temu account.